Using the frequency distribution table, find the range of the distribution. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question and then after that you pick the correct option. In the table, we have the marks and their frequencies. The question wants us to find the range of the distribution. The range of a distribution is given by the highest mark minus the lowest or the least mark. From the table, we can see that the highest mark is 4 and the lowest or the least mark is 0. So the range of this distribution will be equal to the highest mark, which is 4, minus the lowest mark or the least mark, which is 0. 4 minus 0 will give us 4. So it means that the range of this distribution is 4. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is A.